Hi guys, Kat Kerr, and today we're taking a Heidi Swapp Memorydex and giving it a little bit of a facelift. Now her box is already beautiful with the gold stripes, but it's not really my style. So I'm just going to add some paint, some papers, and some washi tape and bring it up a notch. First, trace the base of the box onto a piece of watercolor paper. Add Marabu Aqua Inks to the paper and move it around by spraying it with water. Press a creative art texture into the ink and stamp the design in other areas of the paper. Cut the four corners of the box and then add score lines to easily fold the paper. Trim off the excess paper and glue to the box. Decoupage some tissue paper to the inside of the box, and then once it's dry, add a light coat of gesso. Here I'm adding a third color of aqua ink to the outside of the box. Next I grab some artist trading coins and cover them in black and white washi tape. Trim off the excess and then cut the circles in half. Here I'm applying some of that washi tape to the sides and I'm going to seal it with some matte medium. And then I'll apply my circles to the sides of the box and also seal them with matte medium. Next I grabbed a Marabu Fineliner and added some mark making around the circles. And I finished the base of the box by adding some washi tape to the bottom. Next I add some acrylic paint to the inside of the box, and then I take a baby wipe and just remove some of the excess. I want to be able to see the design from that tissue paper. And then I add some washi tape to the top of the box and seal it with some matte medium, and this box is done. So now that I've finished my box, I needed to fill it up. Introducing Joggle's new Journaldex cards. They fit perfectly inside this box. I wanted to make a lot of them at once, so I took out the 8x10 gel press plate. I first added a layer of paint to the plate and then impressed a creative art texture and then let the paint dry. I added a second color and used a different creative art texture and let that layer dry. Finally, I added a third layer of paint, but this time I put my cards directly onto the wet paint, pressed them down firmly, let them sit for a few minutes, and then peel them off. Here are some other backgrounds I created. Using a glue stick, I added some die-cut images, as well as using a Sharpie to add some mark making and ink around the edges of the cards, and they were done. The only thing left to do is place them in the box and go make more. Thanks for watching. This video is brought to you by Joggles.com.